Hello guys and welcome. Struggling to read tiny text or notice small details around you? Your iPhone actually has a built-in magnifier, like a digital magnifying glass. Before we begin, hit subscribe for more iPhone tips that make everyday life easier. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and select Accessibility. Step 3. Tap on Magnifier. Step 4. Turn on the magnifier toggle. This will add the Magnifier app to your home screen, letting you open it anytime just like any other app. Want quicker access? You can add Magnifier to your control center. Head to Settings, then Control Center. Scroll down and tap the green plus icon next to Magnifier. Now swipe down from the top right corner and tap the icon. And that's it! Whether you're reading a label or checking fine print on a document, the magnifier makes it easier on your eyes. Hit subscribe for more simple iPhone tips that make a real difference every day. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.